Hi dear students and friends and viewers, welcome to this channel Satish Keys. I am B. Satish Kumar, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Srikakulam.
Today we are going to discuss a new named organic reaction that is called Shapiro reaction. The name of the reaction is Shapiro reaction. The main aim of this reaction is synthesis of alkenes or electrophile substituted alkenes from aryl or tosyl sulfonyl hydrogens. These tosyl or aryl sulfonyl hydrogens can be easily prepared from carbonyl compounds. Here carbonyl compounds reacts with aryl or tosyl sulfonyl hydrogens to form tosyl hydrogens or aryl sulfonyl hydrogens. See the statement of this reaction. At least one alpha hydrogen containing aryl sulfonyl hydrogens of ketone reacts with 2 moles of butyl lithium followed by hydrolysis or electrophile to form alkene or electrophile substituted alkene. This reaction is known as a Shapiro reaction. See the equation of this reaction. This is the aryl sulfonyl hydrogen of ketone. So this carbon is a alpha carbon. So this carbon must have at least one alpha hydrogen, otherwise there is no reaction takes place. This aryl sulfonyl hydrogen treated with 2 moles of butyl lithium. Here 2 moles is required for this reaction. So this base abstract 2 protons from alpha carbon and NH proton. So two butane molecules is removed. After that this hydrogen loss of 2 groups, one is nitrogen and another one is aryl sulfonyl group, form vinyl lithium. This vinyl lithium further treated with hydrolysis to form alkene or reacts with electrophile to form electrophile substituted alkene. So this is the equation of Shapiro reaction. See the mechanism of this reaction. First of all, I take aryl sulfonyl hydrogen. So the structure of aryl sulfonyl hydrogen is this. So this is called alpha carbon. So this is called aryl sulfonyl hydrogen. So this aryl sulfonyl hydrogen from ketone. You know the ketone. So I take this ketone. So this ketone reacts with aryl sulfonyl hydrogen in the presence of acid. A condensation reaction takes place, elimination of H2O molecule to form aryl sulfonyl hydrogen. So this aryl sulfonyl hydrogen involving in step 1 reacts with 2 moles of butyl lithium. Here butyl lithium is a strong base C4H9Li. So it having partially negative charge on the carbon, lithium partially positive charge. This butyl group abstract 2 protons from hydrogen, one from carbon, another from nitrogen. Loss of 2 protons, so elimination of 2 butane molecule to form a dianion lithium salt. So one proton from carbon, so negative charge, one from nitrogen. So this is called a dianion lithium salt. This dianion lithium salt further involving in a step 2. In step 2, loss of aryl sulfonyl group. So it is a very good leaving group. So it can be removed from the dianion is how the aryl sulfonyl group removed from dianion. I will show you. Here aryl sulfonyl group is a very good leaving group. That is why so it is removed very easily from the dianion. So the negative charge comes like this. So this pi bond comes like this. So finally the aryl sulfonyl group is removed. So to form a new intermediate product, that is called anionic compound, diisoanion compound. So this diisoanion compound further involving in a step 3. In this step, so this anion compound loss of nitrogen or elimination of nitrogen molecule very easily. Here negative charge comes like this. So this bond on carbon, vinylic carbon, to form vinyl lithium. So alkynyl lithium, or this is called a vinyl lithium. So the name of this anion is vinyl lithium. An intermediate product initially for further this vinyl lithium treated with H2O or H plus ions are involving in a hydrolysis process to form alkene. This is the structure of alkene. Or this vinyl lithium treated with electrophile to form electrophile substituted alkene. Structure of electrophile substituted alkene is like this. So this is called electrophile substituted alkene. Write like E substituted alkene. This is the Shapiro reaction. The main aim of this reaction is substituted alkenes easily from hydrogens of ketones. Initial first step is abstraction of the 2 protons by base, form a dianion salt. This dianion involving in a step 2, elimination of aryl sulfonyl group to form an anion compound. This anion compound involving in step 3, loss of N2 to form vinyl lithium. This vinyl lithium hydrolysis to form alkene or electrophile to form electrophile substitute alkene. So this is the Shapiro reaction. So the mechanism follows like these steps. Thank you.